Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie Rivera. I'm a licensed life insurance agent and I help families protect their income, build wealth, and create real financial security. And today we need to talk about something serious because I've seen this happen too many times. People work their entire lives, 30, 40, 50 years. They do everything they were told to do. They go to work, they pay taxes, they pay into Social Security. They retire at the age of 65 thinking, I made it. But then reality hits. They realize Social Security is not enough. And at the age of 65 years old, they're forced to go back to work. Not because they want to, but because they have to. And that's what we're going to talk about today. Why Social Security alone is not enough and how annuities can give you real retirement security. Most people believe Social Security will take care of them because that's what we've been told our entire lives. You work, you retire, Social Security will be there. But what they don't tell you is this. The average Social Security benefit is around $1,500 to $2,000 per month. Now, really think about it. $2,000 per month, that's $24,000 per year. Ask yourself honestly, can you live comfortably on $24,000 per year with rent, mortgage, food, bills, healthcare, transportation, emergencies? Most people can, and that's why they see so many retirees working at the grocery stores, retail stores, and part-time jobs. Not because they want to stay busy, but because they need income to survive. This is what happens with the truth most people don't realize. Social Security was never fully designed to replace your income. It was designed to supplement your income, meaning it was meant to cover a portion, not everything. But here's the problem. Most people never built anything outside of Social Security. They don't have pensions, they don't have retirement income streams, they don't have protected money, and that's why retirement becomes stressful instead of peaceful. Instead of enjoying life, they're worried about money at the exact time in life when they should be relaxing. The biggest mistake people make is waiting too long. They think, hey, I'll start later, I still have time, I'll figure it out. But the time is your greatest asset when it comes to retirement because retirement is not built overnight, it's built over time. Small, consistent deposits that grow and grow and grow. Most people spend money on things that don't last. Clothes, shoes, eating out, subscription, things that are gone in months. But retirement lasts for the rest of your life, and that's why it needs to be a priority. So let's talk about annuities. Because annuities is one of the most powerful retirement tools available. An annuity is a financial vehicle designed to provide guaranteed income in retirement, meaning you put money into it while you're working and later it pays you income. Not once, not twice, but consistently for years, and in many cases for the rest of your life. Think about it like creating your own personal pension. Because pensions are disappearing. Most jobs don't offer them anymore, and so annuities allow you to create your own. You are no longer dependent on Social Security alone. You have your own income stream. Here's why annuities are so powerful. They create predictable income you can count on, no guessing, no hoping, no worrying. You know the money is coming every month, just like a paycheck. But now it's your money paying you, not an employer, not a job. Your money works for you. Even when you stop working, that's the real financial independence. Because retirement should not mean fear. It should mean freedom. Freedom to live, freedom to enjoy life, freedom to spend time with your family without worrying about money. The earlier you start, the more powerful it becomes because your money has more time to grow. Even small amounts consistently can build something powerful over time. But waiting makes it harder because now you have less time, more pressure. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time to start is today because every year you wait is a year you lose. And retirement will come whether you're prepared or not. The question is, will you be ready? If this is something you never learned before, that's okay. Most people were never taught this. That's why I created this channel to educate families, help people protect their future, and help you retire with dignity, not dependency. If you want to learn more about how annuities work and how you can start building your own retirement income, I can help you. Click the link below or follow my page for more financial education. And if you found big value in this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this with somebody who needs to hear it. Because retirement should be a time of freedom, not a time of financial stress. Your future is worth protecting. I'll see you in the next video.